Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to search in Page here in Brave. It's actually pretty easy. So first up, go ahead and go to the website or even a PDF that you would like to read. Okay. Let's say we're going to find philosophy. Hit on enter. Down here, I'm going to go ahead and open up a Wikipedia. Just going to click on it. Now, if you want to find this specific word, okay, sometimes a website right here gives us the option to look for specific topics or even words. If not, you can just go ahead and press Ctrl+F on your keyboard. Okay. If you're using Mac, well, just go ahead and press CMD+F. So Ctrl+F, and here we have the search bar. Let's say we're going to find the word again, philosophy. Okay. Philosophy. There you go. As you can see here, we now have 510 results. Okay. So you could just go ahead and click on these arrows, okay, to move down. As you can see here, we have this orange highlight. That means it's pointing out the same word, okay, within the page. Now, another option is by searching the web, which is by using the address bar, of course. Right here is the address bar. So just type down your query as you normally would and just hit on enter. And fun shortcuts right here, you can go ahead and go to the URL box by easily pressing Ctrl+L. As you can see, again, another one, Alt+D. There you go. And the last one is F6. Okay, that is it. That is how you search in Page here in Brave. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.